If you're ambitious but lazy, this video is for you. Not for me, for your future. You've got big dreams, but your bed is winning the battle every morning. You keep telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow. And guess what? You've said that for 46 tomorrows now. Yeah, this one's for you. You've got goals, money, freedom, maybe even quitting that job you low-key hate. You're smart. You see opportunities all around you. But when it's time to actually do the thing, suddenly you're watching productivity TikToks, eating cereal, cleaning your room, doing everything except starting. Sound familiar? Listen, you're not broken, you're just stuck. Stuck in a loop between ambition and inaction. And here's the harsh truth. Ambition without execution is just mental masturbation. You feel productive, but nothing's moving. So let's fix that. Here are 10 truths you need to hear if you're ambitious but lazy. Not sugar-coated, not motivational fluff, just real talk. Truth 1. Motivation is trash. Systems win. If you're waiting to feel motivated, you're already losing. Motivation is like Wi-Fi. Great when it works, but unreliable. You need systems, routines, triggers, something that moves you even when you don't feel like it. Start with this. Commit to 15 minutes a day. Not 3 hours, not perfection. Just start. Momentum beats motivation every time. Truth 2. Being lazy isn't your personality. It's a symptom. Laziness is usually just overwhelm in disguise. Too many ideas, too many goals. No clarity. So your brain just says, let's scroll instead. Simplify. Pick one goal, one direction, one habit. Don't try to build Rome, just lay one brick today. Truth 3. You don't need more time. You need more focus. You have time. You just waste most of it on autopilot. Let's be honest. You've never been too busy for Netflix. Start tracking where your time actually goes. It's humbling. Replace I don't have time with it's not a priority. You'll either change your schedule or change your standards. Truth 4. You're not scared of hard work. You're scared of failure. Deep down, it's not laziness. It's fear. Fear of starting. Fear it won't be perfect. Fear you'll look dumb. So you freeze. But guess what? Everyone starts ugly. Everyone sucks at first. You've got to be willing to be cringe before you're great. Start before you're ready. That's the only way. Truth 5. Your phone is farming your potential. That dopamine hit, the endless scroll, you're not lazy. You're being outplayed. Apps are engineered to hijack your focus and turn you into a consumer instead of a creator. Unfollow, mute, log out. Better yet, delete 80% of your apps and watch your brain come back online. You'll miss them at first, like a toxic ex, but eventually it gets better. Truth 6. Discipline isn't built, it's engineered. Discipline isn't some magical trait. It's about friction. Make bad habits hard to do. Make good habits stupid easy. Can't focus? Block websites. Keep skipping workouts? Lay your shoes out the night before. Struggling to write? Open your doc before bed so it's the first thing you see. You don't need more willpower, just better defaults. Truth 7. Rest is not the enemy. Guilt-free laziness is powerful. You're allowed to rest. In fact, intentional rest makes you sharper. But guilt scrolling for 4 hours? That's not rest. That's escape. Schedule your laziness. Make it a reward, not a reflex. Rest hard. Then show up strong. Truth 8. If your environment sucks, your results will too. Your space affects your brain. Period. If your desk looks like a landfill and your room is chaos, your focus is already 30% fried before you even start. Clean space equals clean mind. It's not aesthetic, it's tactical. Bonus. Set zones for specific tasks. One space equals one purpose, equals less friction. Truth 9. You don't need a morning routine. You need a launch ritual. Forget the 17-step 5 a.m. billionaire routine. You need one thing. A trigger. One small, repeatable action that tells your brain, we're working now. Maybe it's coffee and headphones. Maybe it's writing one sentence. Whatever it is, make it automatic. Launch. Don't just plan. Truth 10. Start ugly. Stay consistent. Stack wins. Stop waiting for the perfect time, tool, or idea. Start with whatever you've got. Ship messy. Learn fast. Improve as you go. That's how every builder started. Consistency beats intensity. Show up 5 times a week at 60%. That beats one day at 110%. Stack those small wins until they compound. That's the real cheat code. Look, you're not lazy because you're weak. You're lazy because you're wired for comfort. And the modern world is feeding that wiring on steroids. But if you can fight back, just a little, You'll gain an edge most people never touch. And when you finally align your ambition with execution, that's when the bank starts talking back. So if this hit you and you're tired of the scroll, no action cycle, do one thing right now. Hit the link below and join Blank to Bank. It's the weekly kick you actually need. Tools, ideas, strategies, all in under 5 minutes. Join thousands of other future builders who got tired of just dreaming. You've got the spark. Now build the fire. If you made it to the end of this video, it means you're ambitious and serious about growth. You're on the right path. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're currently struggling with. I read everyone. And don't forget to hit subscribe so we can keep leveling up together. See you in the next one.